channel, so I did record a video before this, so if I look the same, that is why. But anyways, today I'm thinking of doing a huge unboxing. So I have all of these packages. Oh crap. So this might be a long video. I do have some boxes from Buzz Agent and Influenster. This one doesn't have a name. You know what? I kind of feel like just unboxing the Influencer stuff in one video and then the Buzz Agent in another video. So I'll do that. I'm not sure what this is either. So I'm just going to open it with Buzz Agent. With Influencer. I'm going to open these right now. So I'm going to start off with this little package right here. Hopefully it's not from Buzz Agent. Okay, this is weird. I got ear bags. Ear bags, bandless ear warmers. Oh, okay, they're ear warmers. This is what it looks like. And it does have a packing slip, so let me see if it says who it's from. It doesn't say anything, so I don't know. But anyways, I got these little ear bags, ear warmers, and it says comfortable fit without the band, size chart. They sent me the size medium. Flex open ear bags, scoop over ear, gently push down to snap in place. Let's check it out. Oh, it even comes with like a little bag for my ear bags. A bag for my ear bags. Oh, these are interesting. So this is what it looks like. It looks like just earmuffs without the little thingy. Okay, so it does like pop type of situation. This is gonna be funny. My ears are small. You can't even see them. But let's see. Yeah, I think these are too big for my ears. I can't even get them to. Okay, yeah, these fall off. Okay, I don't know, these are weird. I can't use them on my ear. They like fall off my ear. Okay, anyways, that was a fail. I'm going to give them to my boyfriend, see if it fits his ears and see if he likes them, because his ears are always cold. Anyways, that was the first thing. And now this other box right here, it says Beauty Stat Cosmetics, and it doesn't say anything else, unless this is something I ordered and I forgot about it. Okay. So, ta-da! Beauty Stat. Okay, I don't know what it is. I've never heard of that brand before. Have you guys heard of that brand? It has a tissue paper, and then oh, okay, I think this is from Buzz Agent actually, because I got an email yesterday saying that I was going to get a vitamin C serum or something like that, and this is a vitamin C serum. I'm going to have to see the email, see if they sent me a picture of it. But anyways, this is a Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. All skins, 20% vitamin C. L-ascorbic acid brightens, retexturizes, and firms. It says clinically tested to decrease the look of fine lines and wrinkles and improve firm skin tones. So anyways, this is it right here. So I'm excited to try this out. This is what the little bottle looks like. And it has a pump. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. I'm shaking. You guys make me nervous. Just kidding. Okay, anyways, it is a white little cream. Doesn't smell like anything. Kind of feels like a little oily, but it doesn't make my hand look oily. I was actually expecting it to smell like oranges or something. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. It goes on clear. So yeah, anyways, I'm excited, and I think this is from Buzz Agent. Okay, now the next thing that I got, it is this Finn box, and it is for my hairy children. It just says Fulfillment Center Finn Wellness. So let's check it out. I've had these boxes here for a while, so now with my accident I can't even remember who sent it. But anyways, it says, who's a good human? Thank you for all the amazing ways you care for your dog. Trusted nutrition for your trusty companion. It's some vitamins for my hairy children. Week 1. Mix chews into food to help your dog become used to their new supplement routine. So they sent me the allergy and itch supplement. It's a pretty nice bottle. It's pretty heavy. Colostrum, omegas, and beef propolis, beef liver flavor. So for Bartolo and Bimbo, they're going to get 1 chew, and then for Uchepo, aka Max, he's going to be getting 4 chews because he's over 75 pounds. He's like 160 pounds. He's a big fella. I'm going to smell it for them. I'm pretty sure they're going to like it, especially Uchepo. Oh gosh, it smells disgusting, but it smells delicious for them. I'm sure they're going to like this. It smells like beef. Some powder went inside my nose. Anyways, I'm excited to try this for my hairy children. It says that it has allergy support, it helps immune health, inflammation support, and digestive health. So yeah, hopefully they like it, and I will let you guys know. The next box is this one right here by Influenster. I'm not sure if this is new or old, or I don't know. And so this is what they sent me. It has a little card. Let's see, it has 2 cards. One is OxyClean Eliminate Tough Odors. So I'm guessing they sent me something from OxyClean. And then this VoxBox, okay, I guess they sent it to me during winter. But anyways, they sent me the Winter Care VoxBox. Your next favorite thing is here. This is what the card looks like, and they sent me 3 products. So let's see. The first one is this OxyClean Odor Blasters Versatile Odor and Stain Remover for Sweat, Musty Towels, and Body Odor. So this is it right here. It's just a little sample, which is always nice. Okay, now for this one, it says this holiday season, put OxyClean Odor Blasters Odor and Stain Remover to work on all your dirty laundry. It's specially formulated for use on smelly socks, musty towels, sweat stains, and body odor. Available at Target and Walmart. I'll probably use it for my hairy children's blankets. I've been washing them almost daily. Okay, anyways, the next thing that they sent me is this. They sent me the Playtex Clean Comfort. Some comfort with 40% less plastic and 100% organic cotton core, plus the 360-degree protection you love. Now, I don't really use tampons, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Anyways, that's that. Now, the next thing that they sent me, the last thing, it is this Madagascar Centella Ampule. Made with pure centella from Madagascar. Skin 1004. And so this immediately calms and hydrates sensitive skin. Oh, that's perfect for me. Skin 1004 signature ampule with a light watery texture and non-sticky formula. Cool. So I'm excited to try this. Oh, my leg's falling asleep. Okay, anyways, I'm excited to try this. I always like trying stuff that says that it's for sensitive skin. So we will see if this actually helps me. So anyways, this is what it looks like. It does come with a dropper. See? It looks so pretty. Let's smell this. I can't really smell anything. I'm going to put a little bit on top of my hand here. There you go. Blend this over. Oh, it feels nice and fresh. But anyways, it goes on clear. It's not sticky. So I'm really excited to try this out and see how I like it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this and what do you guys think of it. Anyways, that's everything I received in my Influencer VoxBox. 3 things. That's everything that I'm going to be unboxing for this video. I'm going to make another unboxing using the same outfit and everything for the bus agent stuff. So if you guys want to watch that, make sure to subscribe or just go watch the other video. I don't know if it's up already or not by the time you watch this. But yeah, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.